And I was given some options by my oncology surgeon of people that she works with, and just something drew me to Dr. Hubbard. His smile, some of the things that I had seen on his social media, the work that he had done, and he just felt like the right fit for me to do the reconstruction after my lumpectomy for the breast cancer procedure. The first time that I met with Dr. Hubbard, just entering his office, everyone was so welcoming and warm. And then, of course, when Dr. Hubbard walked into the room for the first time, his smile, he made me feel like a person and not just, another woman coming in or another person coming in for a procedure. And he made me feel relaxed going into something that was going to be life-changing for me. Having a lumpectomy and then having a reconstruction, I felt like everything was changing and I was so scared. And Dr. Hubbard just made me feel relaxed and at ease. And he was just so trustworthy and warm. So he made me just feel like just like he was my friend and not just my doctor. So my post-operative experience was amazing. So Dr. Hubbard obviously did wonderful work. So seeing what he had done after I had, my breast reconstruction, I felt better than I looked even going in. And they called and checked on me that evening because I went home the same day. And then Dr. Hubbard just, made me feel so comfortable. And he was just really listened to the questions that I had, and he took the time to, even though, now that I look back on it, I know that I was just being, over anxious, and he really took the time to listen to everything that I was concerned about and answer my questions, and I didn't feel rushed in and rushed out. He just made me feel the exact same way that I felt when I first walked into his office the first time, warm and welcomed and cared for. So I didn't just feel like I was just talking to any random doctor. He felt like my friend from the start all the way through to post-op and then for surgery tomorrow again. So, I wouldn't ever go to anyone besides Dr. Hubbard. He's just amazing. I am having a second procedure with Dr. Hubbard tomorrow. So due to the breast cancer radiation, there were some changes to my breasts and, things that were just kind of inevitable with the amount of radiation that I had. And he's going to do some more reconstruction and, make things more symmetrical. And, age kind of makes gravity take place. So he's just going to do what I initially wanted to do with implants and just making sure that, things look symmetrical. And so I'm excited to go back under the knife with him tomorrow. So I'm not worried at all. I know he's going to take care of everything and do what's best for me and my body, and he's the only one I'll see from now on. I have referred other friends to Dr. Hubbard. I won't see anyone else, and any one of my friends or colleagues that I work with, if they ever mention going, that they're interested in any sort of cosmetic procedure, I would only recommend Dr. Hubbard. So he's just fantastic.